Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings and reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst hitting that red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video, it is a part 2 to my collective haul that I did last week. So if you didn't check out part 1, I will leave it in the card somewhere here for you, and I will also leave it in the description box down below so you can check that out. You can do it in whatever order it is, it don't matter. But I just wanted to come back this week to show you some of the other stuff that I picked up prior to the start of year 2025. So this is, I'd say just a few items. I'm not gonna get into too much detail with them. I will leave links to some of these things if I can find them in the description box. I think in the last video I said the same, but I couldn't really find any links, so apologies for that. But anything I can find, I will leave in the description box. But if you do have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. Happy to answer anything that I can. So without further ado, let's get into the first item. So the first item are these pair of Alex boots from Allsaints. Now these are absolutely gorgeous. Now they're a style on the Chelsea boot, but they're obviously a chunkier style Chelsea boot. I had a pair similar to these from and other stories a few years back, and they were fine, but they were really uncomfortable, and they tended to dig in. So it's like one of them pairs of shoes where you wear them to begin with and everything seems fine, then all of a sudden as time goes on throughout the day they just hurt. I did want the Bottega ones when they was all the rage, however I don't have Bottega money. But at the same time, I wanted a similar look, and I wanted a pair of boots that had that were really good quality. So I think I was shopping with the daughter at the Trafford Centre in Manchester, and I went into Allsaints just having a browse. I think it was Black Friday time, and I saw a lady in there, one of the assistants. She's probably a girl, lady, whatever, and she had these chunky boots on. So I was asking her about them, and they, honestly, stunning pair of boots. So these, I've not worn them yet. I tried them on, perfect, UK size 7, true to size, and I absolutely love them. Little story goes with these, I bought them basically as soon as I came back from the travel centre that night, because I thought I don't want them to sell out in like Black Friday. And she said to me, like, if you buy them, then if they do go into the sale, you can get the money back, like the discount. I thought, oh, okay, that's cool. So I bought them. Now, she was right in what she was saying, but what she didn't say was that I'd have to return the first pair and then buy them again. Yes, she didn't mention that, which I did that because it was a good saving. I think the originally was about 200 quid, and I think with the discount, I think there was I got about 160 off. They did actually go down further in the sale, so again, I will link them just to see if they still are discounted, and you can grab yourself a bargain. I think the very last time that I looked at them, they were, I'd be guessing here, but I'm sure they were around the £100 mark, and I was like, do I send them back and try again? I thought, that's just extra. But I absolutely love these boots. The only downside is I will show you the box that they came in. Now this is the box that they came in. Now it was huge, and I had to carry this into work in order to return it. It's just really awkward, but yeah, decent box. But that's the Allsaints Alex boots. Absolutely love them. Yeah, not much more to say on them. And then next we've got another pair of shoes. Now these are from a brand that I've never shopped at before. Sam Edelman. Sounds weird to me, but Sam Edelman. And these are a play on the Alaya, like, the stud flats that they, that are still out and about, round about now, but they had their surge last summer, and I think they're definitely a trend that's going to be going into summer of 2025. So I'm glad I picked these up, but obviously I didn't have, as I keep saying to you guys, I didn't have Alaya money, but I wanted the look. So I picked these up. They are absolutely gorgeous. I can't quite remember the price because I've had these for quite a while. Haven't worn them just because I think at the time that I did get them, it was coming into the winter, and yeah, I'm not going to harp on about the weather in the UK, but I just didn't get a chance to wear them. Pick these up in a UK 7, that's a US 9.5. They fit absolutely perfect. They are super comfortable. It's like wearing slippers. As I said, I've not wore them longevity like throughout a day, so I can't tell you how they fare throughout the day, but from when I tried them on, absolutely love them. I cannot wait to put these on in the summertime, and I've got a look in mind already. I always have a look in mind already when I'm purchasing these things. But yeah, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and then you can check out my shorts. You'll be seeing outfits in shorts. So yeah, make sure you do that. Shameless plug. Don't care. Again, I can't remember the price on them, but they're called the Michaela Gem Shoe. I'm just looking down at my nose. Yeah, Michaela Gem Shoe. So if you are interested, maybe you can do some searches. You might be able to find them. I will, I'll do some searching, and if I can find anything like that, I will link it in the description box below. But yeah, absolutely love these. Cannot wait to wear them. And then next, we are moving on to another pair of shoes. This is shoe heavy at the moment, but I love shoes. I think shoes and handbags are my thing. But then, shoes is more my thing than handbags. But anyway, you didn't ask me that question. So next we have a pair of trainers that I was lusting for the longest time. Managed to get my hands on them, and these are the On Cloud running shoes. I absolutely love these. Now, I had a pair of all black sneakers, trainers, whatever you want to call them. I had the Nike Air, I'll show a picture on screen of them, and I had them for years, and they wore really well. I managed to get a lot of life out of them, and I just loved them because they were just all black, simple, easy to kind of pair with everything. So I was looking for a replacement for them in a similar vein, that is just a shoe that I can walk a lot in, because I do walk to work, and it's really comfortable, but also stylish because it's, stylish style. Yeah, we're a fashion channel. So I managed to get my hands on these On Cloud, and I picked them up just before Christmas. I think they were from Selfridges, and they had a sale on at the time, and I'd actually bought a pair maybe about a month or so before, and I picked them up in a UK size 7, but when I got them, they were a little bit small, so I would say that they do run a size smaller. So if you are thinking about getting the On Clouds, I would say size up. Definitely size up, because when I got the size 7, they fit, but I just felt like my toe was too much at the top. Then when I've got the size 8, which is the next time round, which are these ones I've got, they're perfect, absolutely perfect. So I absolutely love these. I've not worn them yet. I have a habit of buying things and kind of putting them to the side for a bit before wearing it. I don't know why. I wish I could tell you. I don't know. That's just what I like to do. But yeah, absolutely love these trainers. They are expensive, and I would say they are worth it from what I've seen so far. The test will be when the weather kind of gets less rainy and wet and then I'll probably wear them walking to work, and then I'll be able to give you a more realistic view on them, like review and feedback kind of thing. But they are great. I love the look of them, and that's kind of what I was going for mainly, anyway. So yeah, so they are the On Cloud. I can't remember what the name is, but I'll pop it somewhere, and the link for that. And then moving on, we have a lovely dress that I picked up from Nasty Gal. Now this is something that is just really simple. I love the shape and the structure of this dress. I thought this would look really, really nice, either worn in the winter time with some black tights and some over-knee boots or something like that, or even with a lace tights, just for interest and kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Interest and, not variation, interest and texture. I got there. And texture as well to an outfit. I love the structure on this shoulders, and also the way that it kind of looks a little bit structured in its kind of build and how it's put together with that little tiny split at the front. Absolutely love it. It's like a satiny kind of material, but it's quite structured, so it holds it, it helps it to hold its shape. I picked this up in a size 12. Absolutely love it. I can't remember how much it was, but again, I think they had a little bit of a sale on, so it was towards the end of December, when, you know, everything goes into sale. But yeah, if that's still available, I will leave a link to that in the description box down below as well. If you've got any questions or anything, just, you know, hit me up, as I say, in the comment section. But there's not much else to say. That I just really love it. I wanted a simple black dress that I can just have timeless and kind of pull out time and time again, and it do the work that I need it to do. So yeah, love that. And then next we have, now this came out a little while ago, so it's new to me in the sense it's new in my closet and I haven't wore it, and it's kind of part of this collective haul. This is this pencil skirt that H&M brought out a few months back, and it's in the colour of the season, which is the burgundy rich oxblood, and it's kind of like painting. It's absolutely stunning. Picked this up in a size 12. You would have seen this all over the internet, so I don't really need to tell you too much about this one in particular, but yeah, I absolutely love this. I feel like it's a really nice staple piece. I think, again, as time goes on throughout the years, all the kind of jewel tones are a year on every year. So this is something that I'll be able to pull out next year, the year after. Jewel tones do not go out of fashion. So your emerald greens or your deep greens and your deep burgundies and things like that, even your deep like yellows and things like that, so like almost towards the gold side. These are the kind of things that when you see, I would suggest that you pick up, because it will just continue to, you know, you'd be able to pull it out of your closet year in, year out, and just kind of change up how you wear it. But yeah, this is an excellent piece. As I say, I don't know if it's still available. You might have to kind of look on the pre-love market if you are after this. But again, it's a very simple skirt, so you will be able to find something quite similar to this if you just kind of go scouring the internet. But yeah, absolutely love this. So beautiful people, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not leave without hitting that red subscribe button down below. And if you've got any questions on anything that I've shown you today, please do make sure you pop them in the comment section down below. And let me know as well which was your favorite item of those that I've shown you. And if you didn't get a chance to see part 1 of this, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I will leave it in the description box for you to check out. I do videos once a week, so every Sunday at 7 p.m. So make sure you click that subscribe button and join the fam. I would love to see you back here next week. And I think that's everything. I'm not going to waffle any further. And yeah, you take care, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now. See ya.